Hey guys, today is a box opening video. I have been very happy about it. I've had a doll head on order for a while and well, it finally came in and I bought another head from her in the meantime, so I was able to get both. So let's just jump right in. As you can see, the package, I've already opened it and they reused an old Amazon package, which I'm happy about. You know, using packaging is nice for shipping anyways. A little sad there's not any type of box for it, but I am not surprised. Ooh, what's this? A gift. Eyes. Okay. Let's see if this will focus. It's got some eyes for one of the heads. And we'll just jump right in. I got 2 certificates of authenticity. So yay. Okay, so this is the second head I bought. Both these heads are by JJ Doll Labs on Instagram. And this is her Cyclops head, Teth. I do not quite have eyes yet that are big enough for her. I am picking up the body she will be going on tomorrow, actually. It's going to be an Eyeball House star body. I'll try to get that video out before I edit it and ready to go before I leave, because I'm going on vacation. But she's an SD head. Yeah, there's the name, Teth. I don't know how to pronounce it. But I love the face sculpt. And to be her buddy, this is the head I originally made a pre-order for. And the one I already have a body for is Oraru. How do you say it? Oraru. Yeah. She isn't work. So, yes. You can see she's got painted in gauges or spacers, whatever you want to call them, which is really cool. Name is also inside the head. I got her in white because I plan to dye her green, not surprisingly. Her name is going to be Naz Naga, or Naz for short. This one, her name is going to be Echo, and she is going to get dyed pink. Her plans are still pretty new, but let's see if we can stick Naz on the body that she is going on. Oh crap, I moved my pliers. There we go. So, she fits well on the body, looks good. Let's give her some eyes. I do like the eyes that came with her, but I'm hoping these ones will fit. I actually got them for free with the Impldoll body, which was a surprise considering I didn't buy a head. Let's see if we can get these in her. It looks like they're the teeniest bit too small, but I think they'll still work pretty well once the head is on and her head cap is on, and you won't see that little bit that's peeking out in the corner of her eye. The green stuff is on her eye. Can't have that. Should have put these in before I stuck her head on. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. Let's see if we can get her in this camera. There we go. So next up is a wig. I wasn't positive of her wig size. She should be 8'9" though. Yep, so we got a wig cap. I've got 2 wigs to try out. This one I have plans to braid, and I'm hoping the bright orange red will go with her green skin tone eventually. If not, I have a darker red one. But yeah, I'm gonna trim up and do all that. We'll see how that turns out. For testing's sake, let's see how she looks in the shorter red hair wig. Ultimately, it's whatever looks best with whatever green her skin tone turns out to be. That's okay. But I prefer the more orangey red wig for her. So, that is her. She's probably going to go on vacation with me just for the fun of it. And I will work on her wig, and then when I get back, I will see about dyeing her. So one last close up over here where it's not so washed out. Say grrr, grrr. Okay, so I will see y'all in my next unboxing video. Bye!